Rice water for hair growth. We are going to be making fermented rice water for hair growth. Get your half cup of rice, quarter cup of rice, depending on the length of your hair. Then wash it well with clean water. Rice contains amino acids, which helps to strengthen hair growth, making it easier for faster hair growth. It also helps in regeneration of hair for hair promotion. Then get your clean container, anything you have at home that you can use to store it, that you can use to infuse it for some days. Pour in the washed rice inside it. Remember that rice also contains vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair and scalp and may help in hair growth. All those are perfect for hair growth. Pour in 1 cup of water to it. Make sure to fill it to the brim. You can add 2 cups depending on the quantity of the rice you used. You understand? So cover it well. Make sure to cover it well and keep it in a cool place for 2 to 3 days. Let it infuse. Then after 2 days, bring your rice out. Bring your rice water out after 2 days or 3 days. Then you will see fermented rice water. This is pure fermented rice water. You're going to be mixing it with other ingredients. You can sieve it. Rice water contains microorganisms and some debris. You can sieve it. It depends on you. And this microorganism and debris helps to grow hair. They are even the major ingredient, the major nutrients in it. You can add your egg to it. You can add onion juice, anyone you like. But this one is egg. Egg contains biotin and folate, which helps to promote hair growth. If you have dry hair, you can use only the egg yolk. But if you have oily hair, you can use the egg whites only. But if you have normal hair, you can use both the egg whites and the egg yolk. Mix these ingredients together. Mix all together. After you are done mixing, the ingredient, the next thing you have to do is to apply it on your hair scalp to hair tips. Wash it off with cold water after 2 hours. Shampoo as always. That is it. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe. Thank you.